going to discuss about the Green's theorem. That is a verification of Green's theorem. Now see the problem. What is the problem here? Verify Green's theorem in the plane, xy plane, right? Obviously, Green's theorem is applicable for the xy plane only. Okay, now then in the plane for integral over curve C, x square minus xy cube dx plus y square minus 2xy dy, where C is a square. C is a square with vertices 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2 and 0, 2. Listen, in the previous problems we have some curves are there. But in this problem directly, we have the vertices are there. Vertices are given. Using these vertices, we have to draw the graph of the given square. Okay, now what is the shape here? Square. Now already we have the line integral is there. Now in this, we are going to find the LHS and as well as going to find the RHS. Now we should show. We need to show the given LHS and RHS are equal. Clear? First of all, we have to draw the graph using these points. Okay, see, just I'm going to take x-axis and y-axis first. Y-axis, here this is the x-axis. Clear? And this is y-axis. Here, this is the origin. X is the 0, y is the 0. Okay, now say this is the capital O. Okay, and this point I should take, this is the 2, x equals to 2 here. Okay, now so x equals to 2 and in the y x-axis place y is the 0. Okay, now next again here 0, 0, 2, 0 completed. Next 0, 2. What do you mean by 0, 2? Here the same distance I'm going to take. Here it is y equals to 2, this one. Okay, now so this, what is the location of this here? X equals to 0, y is the 2, right? In the y-axis, x is the 0 for all points of y, x is the 0 and y value should is equals to 2. It is clear? Now the intersection point of 0, 2 and 2, 0. When these two lines are intersecting here, see, I don't know, but we have to draw, then I am getting this like. Okay, now this is the intersection point. How can we locate the intersection point? This is x equals to 2 line. Clear all of you? This is x equals to 2 line. And here it is what? Y equals to 0 line. Okay, now this line is what here? X-axis, y equals to 0. Now this line is here y equals to 2. Intersecting of x equals to 2 line and y equals to 2 line. This location is x2, y2. So that is 2, 2. Clear all of you? Hello? All sides are equal here. And this is x equals to 0 here. This one, sorry. This is x equals to 0 line. And this is y equals to 0 and this is x equals to 2 line and this is y equals to 2. Is it clear all of you? Any doubts? Clear ga kanpistunda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first of all, we have to write the given data. Okay, now, by the Green's theorem, what is the Green's theorem? Integral over curve C m dx plus n dy equals to double integration of r dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy. In this star equation, we are going to find the LHS and RHS. Okay, now the given line integral which is of the form LHS of the Green's theorem. So compare the LHS and the given line integral. Then we are going to write capital M and capital N. Is it right? Again, given integral over curve C x square minus xy cube dx plus y square minus 2xy dy is of the form. Which one? This. Integral over curve C m dx plus n dy. LHS of the Green's theorem. Okay, comparing, then what we get here, capital M is the dx coefficient. Dx coefficient is this one. Here, x square minus xy cube, and capital N is the coefficient of dy. Dy coefficient here, y square minus 2xy. It is clear? Now, immediately, when we are going to write off capital M and capital N, immediately we have to differentiate partially with respect to the x to the capital N, with respect to the y to the capital M. Right? Now, dou M by dou Y. So, with respect to the Y, x square differentiating 0 minus with respect to the Y, x is a constant, y cube differentiating is 3y square. So that dou M by dou Y equals to minus 3xy square. Okay, then dou N by dou X with respect to the X, y square differentiating 0 minus with respect to the X, 2y is a constant, X differentiating is the 1. Here dou N by dou X equals to minus 2y. See? The partial derivatives also completed. These are very useful for the RHS. While we are going to find the RHS, we are going to substitute these terms. Okay, this is a given data here, completed given data. Now we go for the cases. The first case, what is the first case? Case 1. Now tell me, which we are going to find first, LHS or RHS? Which is
RHS.
RHS, very good. Okay, now to find double integration of R, dou N by dou X minus dou M by dou Y dx dy. See which is RHS. Clear. In this already partial derivatives completed, just we are going to identify the limits. Overall the graph, what about the limits? Overall the graphs, x 0 to 2, y also 0 to 0, 0 to 2, and 2 to 2, and 2 to 0. So which we are going to take? X limits are 0 to 2 and y limits are 0 to 2. It is clear, all of you? X ranges from 0 to 2 and y ranges also 0 to 2. How can we identify, madam? That is the question. See, the x lower limit is what here? 0. X upper limit is what here? Here x is there, here x is there, here x is there. So upper limit of x is the 2. Okay. Now x limits 0 to 2. And again, how can we identify the y limits? What about the y lower limit here? Here y0, here y0, here 2. So which is not lower. And here also 2, which is not lower. So the lower limit of y is the maximum 0. 2. And what is the upper limit? Here 0, consider that is not applicable. And here 2 and here 2. So what is the upper limit of 2? Highest value of y here? 2. So this is the identification. Completed now. Total data we are going to substitute in the RHS. Okay now? So that is double integration of R dou N by dou X minus dou M by dou Y dx dy. So that is equals to, both are the constants. Both are the real values. There is no issue to identify which is the first integral, which is the second integral. Both are the definite values, so that we have to use either x or y. X equals to 0 to 2 and y equals to 0 to 2. Dou n by dou x. Where is dou n by dou x? Here minus 2 1. Minus dou m by dou y. Minus into minus plus 3x y square. Here y with respect to the y, separating of integrals into dx. It is clear now? Now, so that is equals to integration x equals to 0 to 2. Here, integration with respect to the y. So that minus 2 is a constant taken outside. Y integration is y square by 2 plus integration dy. 3x is a constant taken outside. Y square integration is y cube by 3. And these integration limits are y equals to 0 to 2 into dx. So the first integration with respect to the y completed. Now substitute the limits here. Integration x equals to 0 to 2. 2 get cancelled, and here also 3 get cancelled. In the place of y, we are going to substitute the 2 here. 2 square, that is a minus 4 plus x into 2 cube 8 minus of lower limit complete 0 into dx. Right, all of you? And here, any simplification? There is no simplification. Integration x equals to 0 to 2. And here 8x minus 4 dx. Right? 8 is the constant taken outside. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of 4 dx. 4 is a constant. Integration of dx is the x. And the limits are x equals to 0 to 2. Now 2 fours are. Is it right? Now substitute the x limits. Upper limit is a 2. 2 square, that is a 4. 4 into 4. 16 minus 16 minus remaining what we have? 4x. That is the 8. Clear? Now what is the answer here? 16 minus 8. That is the 8. Now which is the RHS? Any mistakes, ma? Okay. Now the RHS. Answer is 8. Just write down. Now we are going to find the case 2. Completed? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, completely.
Okay. Now we are going to find the case 2. Okay. For the case 2, compulsory we have the diagram. Okay. So what is the given diagram? Just again I am going to draw. To find line integral over curve C mdx plus ndy, which is LHS. Right? Already we know the diagram. So the diagram is y-axis. Here it is the x-axis, and this is x is 2, y 0, and this is 0, comma 0. Here it is x 0, y 2, and this intersection point, this is the 2, comma 2. Right. Okay. Already I have been denoted on the x-axis y equals to 0, and this line is y equals to 2, and this is x equals to 2, and here it is x equals to 0. Now this is the graph. This is the square. Okay. Now see here. First of all, what is a given curve? Line integral. Tell me line integral. Integral over curve C, x square minus x cubed dx plus y square minus 2xy dy is a given. So this is equation number 1. Okay. Where C is the curve. Where C is the curve, and the curve is the square with the vertices of these 4 types of vertices. Using that vertices, we are getting the square. Okay. Now we are going to find this one. Okay. Now, so the line integral is this one. The equation 1 can be written as line integral over curve C m dx plus n dy. This equation number 1 is the sum of the 4 lines. Why? Because the square is formed by the 4 lines, like y equals to 0 line, x equals to 2 line, y equals to 2 line, and x equals to 0 line. So what is the traveling of the particle here? One particle starting moving from O to A. Here this is the first line. Along the OA, a particle is moving from 0 to A. So along the line OA, right? Plus same particle, okay, moving from A to B, right? This is a direction. Same particle moving from A to B. See, this is the direction along the line AB. Along the line AB. Again, same particle moving from B to C. Here, this is the direction. So, same particle moving from B to C. So, that line is what here? BC. Along BC. Okay. Plus, same particle moving from C to O, not O to C. Okay, now this is a traversed from O to A to B, B to C, and C to O. So this is the direction C to O. Now the line integral along CO. Is it right? Now the particle journey completed here now. Starting from the O. It is moving from O and ends with the O. It is clear? Now I am getting these 4 lines. Using these 4 lines, I am getting the square. Like this. 0 to A to B, B to C, C to O. Clear all of you? Now sum of the 4 lines, we get the square. This is what equation number 1. Okay now? Any doubts? Now, first of all, we are going to find this one, this one, this one, this one. 4 separately, we are going to find sum of all 4 answers. We should get the answer, that is the equation number 1. Okay, ma? Now, so this is case 1 plus and case 2. What is case 2 here? Line AB. What is the case 3 here? Line BC. And the last case here, CO. Okay, now? Now, first, along the line OA. clear, all of you? Along the line OA. So what we are using the line, so that line we are going to throw like that only. That means what? Along the line OA. O points are 0, 0 and A points are 2, 0. Right? Now see, the two values are equal. So that is what? The curve, the line. See, y equals to 0. Along the line OA, y equals to 0 is the same. See here, y equals to 0. Now, y equals to 0. Immediately we are going to differentiating dy equals to 0. Now the two different values of the one variable, those are the limits. See here, x values are 0 to 2. Now they are going to be taken as the limits. X limits are 0 to 2. It is clear? The same values are there. So that is the line we should take differentiating. For that purpose, we have to take. Okay, now? Then after we have to taking the limits of another variable. Okay, see the variable limits are different. Right, okay? So that limits are 0 to 2. So for any doubts ma in this? Now, one variable is eliminated in the line integral. Actually, the line integral having the two variables. Line integral having only single integration. We have to integrating with only one variable. But this complete having the two variables. So that's why we are using these points eliminating the one variable. Is it right? Now see here. Same as it is, the equation number 1 implies line integral over curve C x square minus xy cube dx plus y square minus 2xy dy. See, I'm going to substitute here. Integration. This integration goes to x limits. X equals to 0 to 2. Y is a 0. Here x square minus 0. That means only dx plus y square equals to 0 minus 2xy is the 0. Dy is a 0, complete 0. So that equal to what we get here, 0 is a 0. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 and the limits are 0 to 2. 2 cube is a 8. 8 by 3 minus 0, lower limit. So that is 8 by 3. See, this is a small a. Clear? Any doubt? Hello? This is along the line OA
No, ma'am.
completed. Okay? Then tell me next, what is the case to here in the case? What is the case now?
A to
Which
B.
line we are going to take?
A to B, ma'am.
A to B. Along the line AB. Tell me, what about the points? Which line we are going to take in the AB line and what are the limits? You only tell me, I am going to write. Along the AB line, which we have x equals to 2. Okay, but first to take the points. A points 2, 0, capital B points 2, 2. Which are the equal? Which variable are the equal limits? X equals to 2 and x equals to 2. We should take differentiating this one. Okay, na? So on both sides we have to differentiating dx, x differentiating dx, 2 differentiating is the 0. Remaining we are going to take those limits are having the different 0 to 2. So that those are the y limits. Y limits are 0 to 2. It is clear, all of you? Any doubts, ma? Now, one is implies that integral over curve C x square minus xy cube dx plus y square minus 2xy dy. So that is equals to, integration goes to the y limits, y equals to 0 to 2. Here x value is the 2. 2 square, that is a 4, minus y cube. There is no y value here, so that y cube is compulsory. X value is a 2. 2y cube into dx. What is dx here? 0. Completely that is a 0. Plus y square minus x value is a 2. 2 into 2, 4y into dy. There is no value of dy. Okay, now this integration completely in y here. Integration, this term completely 0. What is the remaining here? Integration y equals to 0 to 2 y square minus 4y into dy. So that is equals to integration of y square, y cube by 3 minus 4 into integration of y. So that is y square by 2. And the limits are 0 to 2. Now substitute the limits here. 2 2s are 4, get cancelled. Y equals to 2. 2 cube, 8 by 3 minus 2 square, 4 into 2, 8. Is it right? Now 8 by 3 minus 8. LCM 3. 8 minus 24. So what is the answer? Minus 16 by 3. Right? See, this is a case 2. Clear? Now this is the small b. Okay. Then go for along. Which line? AB completed BC. Along BC. Again, we are going to write the points through the line BC. B points are here 2, 2 and C points are 0, 2. See here, the limits have the variable or the equal y, and here also 2. Here and here are the same values are there. So this is the line y equals to 2. Immediately we have to differentiate in dy equals to 0. Which variable having the different limits? X is a 2 and x is also 0. These are the limits. Okay, now the x limits as it is you have to write from B to C, not C to B. We are going to write the limits from B to C. B lower limit to upper limit 0. It is clear? Now the limits are, x limits are 2 to 0. Don't write like 0 to 2. What is a particle moving from B to C? So that we are going to write. Okay, now again equation 1 implies that integral over curve C, x square minus xy cube dx plus y square minus 2xy dy. See, dy is completely 0. Now this term completely 0. Y equals to 2, we are going to substitute. Integral, the x limits are x equals to 2 to 0. Now x square minus y cube, y equals to 2. 2 cube, 8x. Into dx, right? Now, so that is equals to integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus 8 into integration of x is x square by 2. Here the limits are 0 to 2. Now substitute the limits here. 2 for the upper limit is a 0 completely, that is a 0, minus of, substitute the lower limit here, it is a 2. 2 cube 8. 8 by 3 minus into minus plus 2 square, that is 4. 4 into 4, 16. So what is the value here? The LCM is a 3. What is the value, ma? What is the value? Three is the LCM. Minus 8 plus 48. 40 by 3, right? 40 by 3. See, this is a small c. Okay. Then lastly, we are going to find the case 4. Along the line Which line now? CO. Okay. C points are 0, 2 and O points are 0, 0. Which variable having the same numbers or same values? X is a 0. Then we should differentiate this term or this curve. Dx is a 0. Which variable having the different limits? 2 to 0. Then y limits are 2 to 0. Is it clear? Now the same equation 1 implies that. Okay, just I'm going to write directly ma. Dx term completely 0 in equation number 1. Here this is the complete 0. Now line integral goes to the y limits. Y equals to 2 to 0. Dx term completely 0. 0 plus x is also 0. Here 2 into 0 into y, that is a 0. Here remaining only y square term is there, y square dy. 0 is a 0, same again. Integration of y square is the y cube by 3 and the limits are 2 to 0. Substitute the upper limit, then we get the 0 here. So substitute the lower limit 2 here. 2 cube is the 8. That means minus 8 by 3. See, this is a small d. Now we should add the all 4 A, B, C, D equations. Then we get the equation 1 answer. Okay, na? Now first write down this. Okay, first we have to add ma. Then after I will give the time. So first we have to add the 4 equations A, B, C, D. Right? Now put small a, small b, small c and small d in. This is the double star equation. Right? In double star equation. Therefore, implies that integral over curve C m dx plus n dy. So that is equals to case 1 answer 8 by 3 plus case 2 answer. What is the case 2 answer? Minus 16 by 3. Here minus 16 by 3 plus case 3. What is the answer? 40 by 3 plus case 4 answer. So that is minus 8 by 3. Here we are going to take LCM. LCM is the 3, all having the 3's here. 8 minus 16 plus 40 minus 8. Is it clear? Plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. 40 minus 16. What is the value? 24, right? Now 24 by 3. 3 8s are 24. Then integral over curve C m dx plus n dy is the LHS. LHS I am getting the 8. Now hence RHS equals to LHS. What is the answer? 8. Hence the verification is completed. Hence the Green's theorem verified. Hence the Green's theorem. LHS and RHS having the same number we are getting, so that the Green's theorem is verified for the given line integral, this one, using the curves square. Clear, all of you? Any doubts?